Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, let's see how screen resolution problem will be fixed in Windows 11. So let's start. So firstly, you have to just type settings in your search bar and click on settings. And in settings, you have to go to system. In your system, you have to figure it out. Click on display option. By default, we are on display. So as you can see, here is in scale and layout option, here is display resolution. So you have to change it as it recommended 1366 into 768. So you can change it on your own as if you want. So if you want to change, if you like this setting, so you can keep changes. If you don't like, so you have to click revert. So it will be revert to the back. So if you want to change any of you, if you want same as like this is 800 and to 600. So if you keep it, so you have to click on keep changes, otherwise you have to click on revert. And you can also change your scale as well, like 100%, and it is basically recommended. You can also change it to 125% as well. So if this your issue will be fixed. If it doesn't fix, so you have to go to device second step, which is basically device manager. If your screen resolution is not working, so you have to go to in step 2. In step 2, in device manager, you have to find out display adapter. Here it is, display adapter. So you have to just drag down, and you will find this graphics HD Intel HD graphics 620. This is basically a basic graphic adapter. So you have to just right click on it and click on update driver. So such auto you have to click on such automatically for driver, so it will be reinstalled your driver, and your problem will be fixed, and your resolution of your system screen will be fixed. So if you like my video, so kindly subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.